to my video lesson. So today, I will show you how to use a 3D model animation in Microsoft PowerPoint, one of the interactive tools available in Microsoft Office 365. This feature allows us to add animated 3D objects to our slides, making lessons more engaging and easier to understand. Okay, so a 3D model is a three-dimensional object that can be rotated and viewed from different angles. Unlike regular pictures, 3D models show depth and movement. They are useful for presenting topics like planets, human anatomy, machines, and scientific concepts. Okay, for the first one, we have to open Microsoft PowerPoint using your Office 365 account and create a new presentation or open an existing one. For this demonstration, I will use an example about the Earth. Okay, so for the step 2, insert a 3D model. Okay, so to insert a 3D model, you have to click the Insert tab and select 3D models and choose Stock 3D models and pick a model and click Insert. The 3D object will appear on your side. Okay, for the step 3, adjust the model. Okay, you can rotate the model using the rotation control. Resize it by dragging the corners and tilt it to show different views. This helps learners visualize the object more clearly. And for the step 4, apply 3D animation. Okay, you to animate the model, you have to select the 3D object. Go to the animations tab and click add animation. Scroll to the 3D animation and choose effects like turntable, swing, or revolve. For example, the turntable animation makes the earth rotate smoothly. Okay, there's a lot of options there and on how you're going to animate your model. You have the turntable, the swing, or the revolve, and etc. Okay, for the step 5, animation settings. Okay, use the animation pane to control the timing. For recorded lessons, set the animation to after previous so it plays automatically. Okay, from this moment, I'm going to use my knowledge or my product in using the 3D model animation. Okay, here in the PowerPoint presentation. So now I have used the science subject and using this Earth, planet Earth. Okay, so just like I'm going to discuss in front of my learners. So I'm discussing about the Earth. Earth is our home planet and the third planet from the sun and the only one we know so far that supports life. Okay, something like that. 4 billion years ago. The transition there was really uh, interesting that makes our learners hook from the topic. Okay, right? Okay. We can always put the definitions there, right? Uh, uh, before or uh, beside the model, 3D model. Okay, so it's like this one. Okay, you are free to put definitions there in your 3D object. Uh, for example, like this. While discussing in front of your students, you can also use this 3D model uh, to make your students hook in your discussion. Yes, something like that. While the discussion is still going on, the students will be able uh, to know more about the more about the layers of our planet, because we have used the 3D model animation. Okay. Okay. So why use 3D models in your PPT? So 3D models help increase students' engagement, improve understanding, make presentations more interactive, and support visual learning. And in conclusion, in this lesson, we learned how to insert, adjust, and animate 3D models in PowerPoint. This feature helps transform ordinary slides into interactive learning materials. And that's all. Thank you for watching.